Part 1. Initial Setup. Inside the box you will find a power supply with detachable wall cord, a USB A to B type cable, setup guide, 4-line SmartSource inkjet cartridge, and the SmartSource Professional scanner itself. Please do not attempt to pick up the scanner from the sides, as the exterior cover is not designed to support its weight. Also, please do not attempt to plug in and connect your scanner until after you have installed the deposit software package containing the drivers. The scanner's exterior covers can be easily removed by lifting them straight up. Note that the scanner covers, especially the center cover, contain fixed posts and receptacles that must be aligned with the corresponding parts on the scanner when reattaching them. Be sure that the covers are seated correctly or the scanner will not operate properly. You will need to install the ink cartridge before using your scanner for the first time. With the covers removed, press the blue latch to open the ink cartridge housing. Then, remove the ink cartridge from its foil wrapper and pull off the plastic pull tab over the print nozzle. Insert the ink cartridge as shown. The top should be level when it's inserted properly. Please be sure that the print nozzle is oriented towards the bottom when inserting it into the scanner. When you are finished, close the blue latch to secure the cartridge into the housing. Reattach the external covers, making sure they are lined up with the guideposts on the scanner's frame. After your deposit software has been installed, plug in the scanner's power cable and USB cord. Plug in the power supply to a wall plug. Finally, connect the scanner's USB cable to the computer. You are now ready to use your scanner. Visit www.digitalcheck.com for product information and training tips. Order supplies online at store.digitalcheck.com.